Want to make high-quality ad videos? AI can do it for you fast, easy, and right now it's totally free. The secret? Your prompt. A good prompt makes all the difference, and the easiest way to get one. Let AI write it for you. And in this video, I'll show you 3 simple ways to do exactly that. Method 1. Let ChatGPT or Gemini write your prompt. Just tell ChatGPT or Gemini your ideas in a few simple sentences, and ask it to turn that into a professional, detailed JSON prompt for Veo3. For example, in ChatGPT type, refine this prompt. A gust of wind blows through in golden slow-mo, swirling leaves around the brown-green Veo3. The letters spin like a little vortex, then settle softly in the shade as dust motes shimmer in the air. The prompt should be in JSON format, with cinematic effects, professional details, and rich visual elements. Click send, wait a moment, and a polished JSON file will be ready. Why JSON? Because it's clear and structured, so the AI knows exactly what to create, from camera angles to lighting, and your video comes out looking way more polished. Click the copy button in the top right. Paste the prompt into Flow. Select the Flash 3 model, click Confirm. Wait a moment, and your videos will be generated. Finally, pick your favorite. Click the Download button in the top right and save it. Right now, you can get Flow free for a whole month by signing up for Gemini Pro. And if you are a student, you can get it free for an entire year. Method 2. Use a video as a reference. You can use ChatGPT or Gemini to analyze a reference video and write your prompts. Got a video you love? Upload it to ChatGPT and say, "Please analyze the video carefully and thoroughly." Then create a Veo3 prompt based on your analysis. Format it in JSON. Click send, wait a moment, and your JSON prompt will be ready. Click the copy button in the top right. Paste the prompt into Flow. Select the Flash 3 model, click Confirm. Wait a moment, and your videos will be generated. Finally, pick your favorite. Method 3. Create a video from images. Switch the flow mode to frames to video. Upload your images and crop them as needed. Enter your prompt. Same as before, you can use ChatGPT or Gemini to help you write it. Once your video is generated, choose your favorite. If none of them feel right, click Reuse Prompt in the bottom right to tweak your prompt. And if you want, add camera moves like pan, zoom, or rotate to make it more dynamic. Don't stress about making the perfect prompt. AI can rewrite, expand, or fine-tune it for you. Change the style, switch the subject, add special effects super easy. If you have questions or know a better method, drop it in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. See you next time.